Folks, today we're going to talk about how you can target real, tangible winners with virtual reality stocks. Let's get into it. Now, I remember back in the day when I was a teenager, where's that music that plays when you're talking about your background? And I would watch programs about the future where they would talk about three-dimensional video games, self-driving cars, and robots that would have conversations. And it all seemed like a distant dream out of a Buck Rogers movie or a comic book. But fast forward 4 decades, and we've seen virtual reality technology becoming a proven business model. And it's projected to enter into a phase of explosive growth. Listen to this. In 2019 alone, virtual reality market was worth about $10.7 billion. By 2024, just 5 years later, it's on track to hit $72.7 billion. That's a growth rate annually of about 46.6%. What's amazing is that virtual reality can be implemented on a device like a smartphone or a headset or on a display such as a car's windshield, and can help people navigate their lives with the power of computer every step of the way. The applications are endless, and I mean endless. At this point, virtual reality is being used to great effect in video games, online shopping, education, healthcare, industrial applications. And we're still at the tip of the iceberg in terms of where this tech is going to take us over the next decade and beyond. So today I want to focus on a few stocks that are moving big in the virtual reality space, and both will be instrumental in driving the industry forward. The first stock on my list is Autodesk. I've talked about this stock plenty of times. Ticker symbol ADSK. Autodesk is a leader in 3D design, engineering, entertainment software. Since its introduction of AutoCAD back in '82, Autodesk continues to develop the broadest portfolio of 3D software for global markets. Customers across the manufacturing, architecture, building, construction, media, and entertainment industries, including the last 19 Academy Award winners for Best Visual Effects, use Autodesk software to design, visualize, and simulate. You heard that word? Simulate their ideas before they've ever built or created. Virtual reality, folks. Autodesk stock has been riding a wave of consistent growth for the past 5 years, posting gains of 284% during that time. As virtual reality becomes widely adopted, Autodesk is one of the key companies supplying the creative platform to make it happen. 5-year return, over 300%. 5-year earnings growth, over 130%. Technically, the stock remains near all-time highs, and I'm expecting substantially more upside as the virtual reality niche continues to grow over the next several years, without a slowdown in sight. And I don't anticipate the current geopolitical climate to impact Autodesk negatively in the coming months. The next stock on my virtual reality list is Snap. Snap provides technology and social media services. The company's principal product is Snapchat, a camera application that helps people communicate through short videos and images. The third generation Snap Spectacles were released last November with a big price jump, $380. Is roughly double the price of the previous version. Why the expensive price tag? One reason is more upscale design. The other is addition of a second camera for depth capture, paving the way, you guessed it, virtual reality. The company is planning to combine the new spectacles with Snapchat and its Lens Studio platform to deliver a compelling virtual reality experience. As you can tell based on their products and services, Snap is expected virtual reality to grow in importance over the next decade. By laying the groundwork right now, just like Autodesk did in '82, it stands to sell more hardware and to sign up more users on Snapchat. As a result, Snap is positioned to be one of the virtual reality stock with real long-term growth potential. 3-year return, almost 200%. Earning estimates continue to move higher over each of the past 4 quarters, and currently, check this out, the stock has 20 strong buy recommendations, which is helping drive price higher as well. The price of the stock is outperforming the major indices, and I'm expecting more upside. More importantly, I don't see the company being negatively impacted by either the geopolitical pressure nor COVID-19. As a matter of fact, COVID is driving digital reality advancement at a high rate due to the stay-at-home environment world, which is embracing it at this time. And I hope that helps. Autodesk, and Snapchat. Folks, I've been talking about alpha trades all week, and for a darn good reason. A new stock has just passed the secret alpha line, and a 20-year Wall Street veteran, Adam Sarhan, believes it could earn you triple-digit gains in 24 hours. In on Monday, out on Tuesday. And this is no day trading, folks. I'm talking about a trade setup that's set to explode over 900%. You can't afford to miss this. And now Adam is ready to share his secret and exactly how you can identify it. Click on the link below to see how you can get in on this trade before it's too late.